It's time to explore some unsaturated digital product ideas that hold immense potential. From educational resources to digital planning tools, these products promise an exciting journey into the world of e-commerce. So, stay tuned as we unveil the top 8 digital product ideas that promise potential growth and profitability. First on our list is preschool printables. This digital product is fast gaining traction as parents and educators hunt for cost-effective educational resources. With an ever-growing emphasis on early education, preschool printables offer both affordability and convenience, ticking all the right boxes. And let's not forget the golden opportunity for repeat business. Once you've won over a customer with your quality offerings, they're likely to return, giving you a chance to build a solid, loyal customer base. Next up, we have business trackers. In this era of budding entrepreneurship, the need for tools to keep small business owners organized and efficient is paramount. These trackers act as the nerve center of a business, seamlessly integrating every aspect from inventory to finances. With the rise in independent ventures, the potential market for this product is immense. Efficient, reliable, and user-friendly, business trackers are the silent partners that every small business owner needs. Help small businesses thrive with business trackers. Our third product idea is remarkable digital planners. These clever tools cater to the tech-savvy, those who crave the convenience of digital, but still value the essence of traditional planning. They're an ingenious blend of old and new, allowing users to keep track of their schedules, goals, and ideas, all in one neat digital package. And with the number of digitally inclined individuals growing daily, the potential market for this product is massive. Fourth on the list are Canva frames. This digital product taps into the rising SVG trend, offering a world of possibilities for DIY enthusiasts and decor lovers. Imagine customizable frames that allow users to put their personal stamp on projects and home decor. The potential customer base is vast, from crafters to interior design buffs. Profitability, it's there, friends. With the digital nature of these frames, overhead costs remain low while the demand is high. Tap into the SVG trend with Canva frames. Last but certainly not least, we have social media planners. In a world where digital presence is paramount, these planners are essential for influencers and businesses alike. They help organize content, schedule posts, and keep track of engagement metrics, all in one place. Think of it as a digital command center for your online persona. With the surge in social media usage, the market potential for this product is immense. Streamline online presence with social media planners. And there you have it, the top 8 unsaturated digital product ideas for 2024. From preschool printables catering to the educational needs of our young ones, to business trackers for budding entrepreneurs. Not forgetting the remarkable digital planners for tech-savvy users, customizable Canva frames for the DIY enthusiasts, and social media planners to streamline online presence. These are all ripe opportunities waiting for your exploration. Take the leap and venture into these promising digital product ideas for 2024. Remember, success lies in finding the right product for the right market. Good luck!